Breaking now for Evan, I got one 2014 Panini Playbook Football Hobby Box. Take you around the box real quick, factory sealed. Good luck, see what we can get for you out of here. Thanks for breaking with us. Starting off, 54/99 rookie card auto, Michael Campanaro. 54/99 Michael Campanaro, rookie card auto. Next up, out of 25, 21/25, jersey swatch on the left. That's the 2014 draft class, I believe, with the auto on the right, Dre Archer for the Pittsburgh Steelers. 21/25, Dre Archer. Thanks for the order. We'll get this packed up and shipped out to you today.